Opposite words or antonyms in Filipino. Malaki is big and maliit is small. Malaki, maliit. Mahaba is long and maikli is short. Mahaba, maiksi. Mabilis is fast and mabagal is slow. Mabilis, mabagal. Malakas is strong or loud and mahina is weak or quiet. Malakas, mahina. Mataas is tall or high and mababa is short or low. Mataas, mababa. Mainit is hot and malamig is cold. Mainit, malamig. Mahal is expensive and mura is cheap. Mahal, mura. Mabigat is heavy and magaan is light. Mabigat, magaan. Masarap is delicious and hindi masarap is not delicious. Masarap, hindi masarap. Masaya is happy and malungkot is sad. Masaya, malungkot. Bago is new and luma is old. Bago, luma. Basa is wet and tuyo is dry. Basa, tuyo. Madilim is dark and maliwanag is bright. Madilim, maliwanag. Maganda is beautiful and pangit is ugly. Maganda, pangit. Mataba is fat and payat is thin. Mataba, payat. Malinis is clean, marumi is dirty. Malinis, marumi. Matapang is brave, duwag is cowardly. Matapang, duwag. Matamis is sweet, maalat is salty. Matamis, maalat. Masigla is lively, matamlay is lethargic. Masigla, matamlay. Mataas is high, mababa is low. Mataas, mababa. Maingay is noisy, tahimik is quiet. Maingay, tahimik. Malambot is soft, matigas is hard. Malambot, matigas. Malawak is wide, makitid is narrow. Malawak, makitid. Magulo is messy, maayos is organized. Magulo, maayos. Malinaw is clear, malabo is blurry. Malinaw, malabo. Mabait is kind, masungit is grouchy. Mabait, masungit. Matipid is thrifty, magastos is spendthrift. Matipid, magastos. Mabango is fragrant, mabaho is foul-smelling. Mabango, mabaho. Mapayapa, peaceful, magulo, chaotic. Mapayapa, magulo. Matalino is intelligent, bobo is dumb. Matalino, bobo. Magaan is lightweight, mabigat is heavy. Magaan, mabigat. Buhay is alive, patay is dead. Buhay, alive. Masikap is diligent, tamad is lazy. Masikap, tamad. Matanda, bata. Matanda is old, bata is young. Matanda, bata. Mataas is tall and mababa is short. Mataas, mababa. Matatag is stable, mahina is unstable. Matatag, mahina. Mahigpit is strict and maluwag is lenient. Mahigpit, maluwag. Mabagal is slow, mabilis is fast. Mabagal, mabilis. Matino is sane, baliw is insane. Matino, baliw. Malusog is healthy, sakitin is sickly. Malusog, sakitin. Mahalaga is important or importante, walang kwenta is worthless. Mahalaga, walang kwenta. Masama is bad and mabuti is good. Masama, mabuti. Mababa is low, mataas is high. Mababa, mataas. Malalim is deep, mababaw is shallow. Malalim, mababa. Makinis is smooth, magaspang is rough. Makinis, magaspang. Maliit is small, malaki is big. Maliit, malaki. Mahaba is long, maikli is short. Mahaba, maikli. Malikot is restless, kalmado is calm. Malikot, kalmado. And that is all about our Filipino opposite words or antonyms in Filipino. Maraming salamat for watching this video. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye!